Hey friends, and welcome back. Today, what we're going to be doing is working on this Korean pine semi-cascade. What we're going to be doing is getting into a nice new pot for it and give it some nice fresh soil. So I started working on it this morning and figured you guys would want to see it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So you guys can see how much soil I already took off of it. So with pines like this, you'd never want to, bare root them or get water on the roots to wash them off. Just because they need the mycorrhiza fungi to uptake, minerals and nutrients through the roots. So what we're going to be doing is just taking a little bit more off, just so we can make sure it will fit into its pot and we can get some good soil in there for it. So I will not be cutting off any roots. We'll keep all the roots on there. I do have this little stick that I put through just to, when I first got it, I put it in. So I'm just going to cut this little stick that I have on the bottom here. Just going to tease the roots with my hand, make sure everything is taken off. This tree grew really well last year. I wired it, made a video on it last growing season, and we wired it, and very nice little tree. So it deserves a pot. So this is the pot I'm going to be using. Nice Japanese pot. And I put some lava rock on the bottom here for extra drainage. So with this lava rock, I actually buy it at Home Depot. I buy the big bag for like $3. And then I just bring it home and I just crush it up. And then just really pick out the sizes that I want. So just an alternative, cheaper way to do it. So, soil that I'm going to be using is Akadama, Pumice, and Lava. Nice mix from Superfly. I just added just a little bit more pumice in there. So, let's get this tree in there. Wait, first let's get some soil in here. See how high we got to go. It's all mounded up in the center. Okay, let's see. So the front of the pot is looking at me right here, so I'm actually going to turn it a little bit. And what I did with the tie-down wire is I crossed it. So this pot is nice. It has four holes for the tie-down wire. I think that's a pretty good height right there. It's looking pretty good. Just gonna mount a little bit towards the front here. Get that tied in there. Just a nice light tie. Don't gotta go too heavy, just to hold it in place. Make sure that's centered. I'm gonna step back a little bit. So what I did was just tilt it upwards a little bit. I'll bring you guys towards the front here to see. Well, it's looking a lot better. So I think we'll keep it like that. Let's get the soil in there and get it watered and see how it looks. All right, so we're all finished up. Gonna give you guys a little spin around. Tree looks so good in this pot. So we'll give it some water here. What I'm going to do actually is add a little sphagnum moss to it as well. I'll add the sphagnum moss just around here. Tree turned out really nice. So as I'm adding the sphagnum moss, I have it really fine in here, and all I'm gonna do is just sprinkle it on there, just around where I want it, and then when you water it, it goes you know, through the particles and whatnot, and all it does is just create spine roots, get some organicness into the soil, and creates spine roots, and it keeps them. And that's all. Beautiful little tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and got a bunch more stuff coming out. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!